2005 Rockwood 1907 Premier. His outside awning. Canvas is in very, very good shape. Has one LP tank, 20 pounds. A battery. Has an electric lift. No crank. Has a furnace. Has heated mattress. Door has a spring on it. There's a clothes rack in the ceiling. There's a jackknife couch. A furnace. 3-burner stove with a sink with hot and cold water. There's a smaller bed in the back. Your dinette. There's an attic room, screen room, the way it looks. There's a power vent. And the refrigerator. Gas.